Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cash out money from Paymaya. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna be showing you 3 ways, and these ways are quite easy and the extra charge that you will need to pay is not that high. So the first way is by transferring it to your bank. So go to your Maya app, then tap on bank transfer, then look for your bank. So for example, in my case, I have a BPI account, so I will look for BPI here. Then just tap on it. After that, just fill in the necessary information. So just put in the amount, purpose. So let's just put fund transfer here, your bank account number, then the account name. Once done, just tap on continue. Then you can review the details here. Just take note that there is 15 pesos transfer fee. Once you're done checking, just tap on transfer now. Once you have transferred your money to your bank, you can go to any ATM to withdraw the money. There may be some transaction fee as well, but if you withdraw from your bank's ATM, there won't be any extra charge. Another way is by transferring it to GCash. So you just have to go back to bank transfer option, look for GCash, enter the necessary information, tap on continue. Again, there is a 15 pesos service charge, and then tap on transfer now. Then once it's transferred to GCash, you can go to stores, pawn shops, or any outlets where GCash cash out is available. But some additional fees may apply. The final way is to get a Maya card. So to get a Maya card, just tap on the cards option, and you can choose the type of card that you want here. It can be a Visa or MasterCard. You'll just have to pay 200 pesos and additional 50 pesos for shipping fee. But once you have your card, you can use it to withdraw money through any ATMs, and as what it states here, you can use it to buy online, in-store, or even abroad. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.